Did you know that you've been misled about vacuuming for a long time? The market drowned you in ads flaunting impressive Pascal robot vacuums, as if Pascal alone defines cleaning efficacy. Yet why do most robots still struggle with tight floor crevices, deep carpet dust, and bulky debris? Can a mere number really tell the whole story? As industry pioneers, ECOVACS knows that a high Pascal only reflects vacuum pressure, not true cleaning performance. Dust is truly removed only when a high-speed airflow pushes it entirely into the dustbin. In other words, the key to true cleaning lies in the perfect synergy of maximized airflow and hypersuction power. To deliver the unrivaled airflow that competitors can't match, ECOVACS developed our revolutionary blast solution. Here's how it works. First, our aerodynamic innovation features larger fan blades set at a 41-degree optimal blade angle, combined with a high-curvature Archimedean spiral air duct and wide air inlet. This design reduces wind resistance, delivering 16.3 liters per second airflow, a more than 70% improvement over conventional systems. Next, to drive these massive blades, blast requires an extra boost of power. That's why we've equipped the T50 Max with a new high-torque brushless motor, delivering a remarkable 71% increase in peak torque and 100 watts of power, ensuring stronger, more consistent capabilities to fully unlock its pneumatic performance. Finally, our industry-first EV-grade 6400 mAh pouch battery supercharges the system, delivering 50% more discharge current while cutting heat by 50%, resulting in a longer-lasting and more efficient energy flow. This advanced solution extends battery life by 2.4 times compared to traditional models, ensuring more powerful and stable performance throughout each cleaning session. As a result, Blast delivers 18,500 PA of suction, but what really sets it apart is its maximized 16.3 liters per second airflow. With this potent combination, T50 Max boosts carpet dust removal by 78% and achieves a 100% pickup rate for large particles. Floor crevices, deep-set carpet dust, and bulky particles, nothing is left behind. In essence, true cleaning isn't just about higher Pascal alone. It's about unleashing the real cleaning power you deserve. Blast Solution transforms cleaning from a promise into the perfect synergy of maximized airflow and hypersuction power. Blast away the Pascal, redefine the cleaning. Welcome to the new era of cleaning, where true cleaning isn't just measured, it's experienced. Blast Solution, grand launch in 2025, is now available in the DEEBOT T50 Max and X9 family.